So this is my coursework demo, and I'm Muhammad Khizr, and my aim was to build a RESTful API for bookstore. So as you can see, this is my coursework, and I will run it as of now. So as you can see, this is the print, and we'll paste it. And as you can see, author ID, name, and bio, it is a sample data. So the sample data will basically help me to understand if it works or not. And this is Postman. As you can see, I've made a collection in order for this demo, and as you can see, this collection will help me to test my API with all of the post, get, put, delete, and I've pretty much put it in the order. So as you can see, author comes first, and we'll move, and as you can see, this would be taken out from here, which is exact same, just to make sure there's nothing wrong with it. And as you can see, 201 created, a new resources was successfully created. Now I'll do it again with bio included. So as you can see, it was successful. Now just to check error and exception handling, I will pass on nothing, and it should, it should give me a 400 bad request and an error with invalid input. Now I will try to get all the authors, so I'm not going to put any specific ID after this. So as you can see, these are the 4 authors I've created. Now moving on, the put method for the authors. I've tried to change this name of author at ID3, and you'll see this is changed. So before we move, let's delete one of the authors to see if it goes through. It does. So as you can see, 204, no content. And if we do the same with an invalid ID or non-existing author, it must give us this error, 404 not found, and this error. So let's put a book in our system, as there were no sample data book, which I deliberately didn't add to show the variance. As you can see, 201 created, web applications, and REST API. Now I would like to do the same with another book. So since we deleted the author at ID3, the book wouldn't go through, and 404 not found, which indicates that the API works well. So we'll just put it for the author number 4 or author number 2. And as you can see, 201 created. So let's get the book. As you can see, it gives us the book at ID2. Or if we remove it, it will give us all of the books, ID1 and ID2. So if we want to edit the book, as you can see, we will be changing this yes, we will be changing some things, and as you can see, 200. Okay, now let's move on to the customer, and as you can see, we'll create a customer. There should be two sample of customers before, but before that we'll post a customer. As you can see, it will give it an ID 3, and let's do it again, and we'll create another customer, and it must give me ID 4. As you can see, 201 created. Now we will get all the customers first. So as you can see, all the customers lined up, 4 of them, and we can get any of the customer privately. So let's delete one of the customers. As you can see, 204 no content, and if we do with the wrong ID or non-existing ID, it will give us the error. In the end, let's post the card. So we'll publish this card. As you can see, 201 created, and the card is created, and we can see the same card right here in get method. And if we want to edit it, we can change the quantity from 1 to 3, which was previously 1. And before we would want to delete it, let's delete it with the wrong customer. It will give us this error, card not found, or customer with the ID 3. So let's move with the order. Now we'll publish the order from cart, and as you can see, this is the order which is placed. If we do make an order with the wrong customer ID, it must give us this error. And that's how my bookstore API has performed. Thank you so much for your time, and have a good day.